Understanding how your car radio drains the battery is essential for avoiding dead battery situations. Modern car batteries can power your radio for several hours, but the exact time depends on several important factors. Car batteries are typically 12-volt lead-acid batteries that store electrical energy. When you listen to the radio with the engine off, you're drawing power directly from this stored energy. Radio power consumption varies significantly. Traditional radios use zero point 0.5 to 2 amps per hour, while modern infotainment systems can consume 2 to 5 amps per hour. This difference greatly affects how long you can safely listen. Battery voltage is critical for preventing damage. Never let your battery drop below 12.4 volts, which represents 50% capacity. Discharging below this level can permanently damage lead-acid batteries. Safe listening time depends heavily on battery age and condition. A new battery under 2 years old can typically handle 6 to 10 hours of radio use. However, older batteries over 3 years should be limited to just 2 to 4 hours to avoid problems. Cold weather significantly reduces battery performance. In winter conditions, reduce your safe listening time estimates by 30 to 50%. A battery that normally provides 6 hours of radio time might only give you 3 to 4 hours in cold weather. Modern vehicles manufactured after 2015 have smart power management systems that automatically cut power to non-essential systems after predetermined periods. This helps protect your battery from complete discharge, but you should still monitor your usage time. Remember these key points. Monitor your battery voltage, limit listening time based on battery age, reduce time estimates in cold weather, and always be mindful of your battery's condition to avoid getting stranded. Now let's explore safe listening methods and emerging technologies that will help you enjoy your car radio without battery concerns. There are 3 proven methods to safely listen to your car radio without draining the battery. First, use accessory mode by turning your key to the ACC position. This reduces power consumption by 20 to 30% compared to full ignition. Second, use the engine idle method. Run your engine for 10 to 15 minutes every 2 hours of radio listening to let the alternator recharge your battery. Third, monitor your battery voltage using a multimeter or your car's dashboard display. Keep the voltage above 12.4 volts to prevent damage. Now let's look at emerging technologies that are changing how we power car accessories. Solar integration is becoming popular with aftermarket panels and built-in solar roofs maintaining battery charge. The market is expected to grow 15 to 20% through 2026. Lithium-ion 12-volt systems offer 3 times longer lifespan and superior cold weather performance. They're expected in 25% of new vehicles by 2027. Let's examine emergency preparedness and advanced protection systems. Portable jump starters are essential emergency equipment. Modern units are compact, easy to use, and include multiple charging ports for devices. By 2026, 80% of new vehicles will have advanced battery protection systems with AI-powered management and energy-efficient infotainment systems. Remember, proper usage and monitoring are key to enjoying your car radio without battery problems. These emerging technologies will make it even easier in the future.